Today, I want to show you how you can use Ultraprint add-on for Odoo in order to print receipts and preparation tickets. I've already installed the POS Ultraprint add-on for Odoo, and also the Ultraprint desktop app is up and connected to my account. Onenote is used as a virtual printer to show you what happens live. I'll head to POS Configuration to add some printers and devices under the Ultraprint section. Notice that all my local printers are detected, and all connected devices as well. We'll use this setup to define which receipt device could be connected to each receipt printer. This is very useful when you have multiple POS stations that share the same POS configuration. All right, printers and devices are well defined so far. Let's set preparation printers for the restaurant. I've already created them with the Ultraprint type for convenience. Now, after saving the configuration, we're ready to go. Now we're heading to our Odoo restaurant session. Gotta try these out in the real-world situation. Let's go. Let's check out some items in the POS. 2 sandwiches and 2 drinks to showcase our preparation tickets. There should be 2 tickets, 1 for food and 1 for drinks. Let's check what's printed live. So far, so good. Our preparation tickets are both correctly dispatched and printed. Now, let's head to payment step in order to print the receipt ticket. Great! Our receipt ticket is out, directly printed in a glance. I hope this demo answered your questions. Please note that we provide a pre-installed demo environment you can use to try Ultraprint with your own printers and judge by yourself. With this, we've just finished our demo. I hope you enjoyed it. Got questions? Need to know more? Write a comment or head to odooskillz.com for more information. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay in the loop.